I'm going to discuss about how to reverse a string without using a string function in Oracle PSQL. So first you need to run this set server output on, then this turn here. After that, this is the code to reverse the string. So now running this code, and here let's enter this terms hello. Okay, so here you can see enter value for str. So ampersand str. So whatever that we intercept that store into some address, and the value is now hello. So hello is there, colon equal to, so this is here hello that go to str form. Then this place or this here str2 that has so this or str2 another varchar variable length number I number. Then after code begins length. So str1 this is now total character is 5. So here this count length, then str into 5 or 5 that str into length. Then after 4 I in reverse. So I value, then after that to the reversing. So here 1 to length. So this place, then after loop is there, str2 colon str2 substring str2 str1. So str1 has this hello is there. So this is now first is this is a string, this is here starting and ending. So I value is now this time 5. So 5 is now a starting character. So 5 position is now O is there. So O that move to str2. Then after again the for loop that continue. Next time here this value is now 4 for that here in into I. So this time 4 position is now L like this that continue on 3 next times. So 3 position is now again L, and next is 2 position is now this place here E, and 1 position is now H is there. So H, and after that there is no any character or here this part that has been over. So this exceed or more than 5, then this do the end of loop. After that here str2. So str2 the value that comes there O double L E H. Now press enter. Here you can see O double L E H that's come there. Now if I run this, and this times like writing here Sam Anna. So here Anna mass that's come there. So this is here. This is the way we can do the reversing of any string in Oracle PSQL. So here substring. So this is now a string part. This is a starting and ending character. So this is here a starting. So here this is I value is now starting and ending value is now 1. Okay. So this is the way we can do the reversing of a string. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.